Nico out on the back porch checking out the birds, the chipmunks, the squirrels. Right, Nick? Where are the birds at? Huh? Where are those birds at? We got a nice sunny morning here. We got a temperature of 61 degrees roughly. But it's very pleasant. Right, Nick? Pretty pleasant out, huh? What are you going to do? There are no birds to watch, are there? No. No birds? So what are you going to do, Nick? Huh? Psst. Hey, Nico, what you doing? What you doing? Hmm? Nico. Nico, what you doing? Pretty nice out, huh, Nick? Yes, it is. Yes, it is. What are you smelling? What is that? What is that? Nico, what is that? There he goes.